There was this one time when I was struggling to hit my stride at work. You know those days where everything feels like an uphill battle and motivation is just not on the menu? But then I remembered a little mantra that had been shared with me. It was simple, yet so powerful. And every time I repeated it, it felt like a mini reset button for my mind. Within no time, I found myself getting back into the flow, tackling tasks with a renewed energy, and before I knew it, the day didn't seem so daunting anymore. That's the kind of impact a mantra can have. So today, let us dive deep into the world of motivational mantras and see how we can use them to make each day a little smoother, a little more successful, and a lot more positive. The impact of positive self-talk to start off, let's talk about why these mantras are like secret weapons for our everyday lives. Our thoughts play a huge role in shaping our actions and behaviors. When we feed our minds with positive affirmations and mantras, it's like priming the pump for success. Think of it as a mental warm-up. In a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, researchers found that positive self-talk, or in our case mantras, can help people perform better under pressure. So whether it's a big presentation at work or a simple task you've been putting off, mantras can help put you in the right mindset. Mottos for a winning morning routine. Now let's get practical. Here are some mantras to see you through your day, starting with your morning routine. Motto 1. Today I choose to wake up with purpose and intention. Every moment is an opportunity for growth and achievement. When you wake up, repeat this mantra to yourself. It's a way to tell your mind that today is a fresh start and you're in control of making it a great day. Setting that tone early can really influence how you handle the rest of your day. Motto 2. I am capable and confident. I trust in my abilities and embrace the day with a positive attitude. Saying this mantra can help boost your confidence. It's a reminder that you have what it takes to face whatever comes your way. Remember, confidence is key to tackling any challenge. Motto 3. I am focused on my intentions and aligned with my goals. I let go of distractions and welcome clarity. This mantra helps set clear intentions for the day. It's a gentle nudge to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind and to minimize the distractions that can pull you away from what truly matters. Motivational mantras for peak productivity as the day progresses and responsibilities pile up. Here are some mantras to keep you productive and focused. Motto 4. I am present and focused on the task at hand. Distractions have no power over me. This mantra is like a shield against distractions. It's a reminder to stay in the moment and concentrate on the task in front of you. Whether it's email, social media, or other interruptions, this mantra can help you resist the urge to deviate from your path. Motto 5. I am motivated and unstoppable. I maintain my momentum and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Use this mantra when you feel the need for a quick burst of motivation. It's a powerful statement that can help you keep moving forward, especially when faced with challenges. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, this mantra encourages you to view them as stepping stones to success. Motto 6. I am efficient and organized. I manage my time wisely and prioritize tasks effectively. This mantra promotes efficiency and organization. It helps you make the most of your time and allocate your efforts to the tasks that align with your goals. Staying organized can be a game changer in achieving a productive day. Overcoming challenges with resilience. Life isn't always a smooth ride. There will be moments when you face setbacks and feel like giving up. That's where these next mantras can be your saving grace. Motto 7. I am resilient and adaptable. I bounce back quickly from setbacks and learn from every experience. This mantra is a celebration of resilience. It's a reminder that setbacks are temporary and that you have the strength to recover and grow from them. Embracing challenges as opportunities for learning can be a powerful mindset shift. Motto 8. I am strong and persistent. I do not give up in the face of adversity. I persevere until I succeed. This mantra highlights your inner strength and persistence. It's a call to keep going when the going gets tough. By repeating this mantra, you're training your mind to never surrender in the pursuit of your goals. Motto 9. I am positive and solution-focused. I choose to focus on solutions rather than dwell on problems. This mantra is all about maintaining a positive outlook even in difficult situations. Instead of getting lost in the negativity of a setback, this mantra encourages you to shift your attention to finding solutions. Positivity can be a powerful tool in overcoming any obstacle. Motto 10. I am grateful for the lessons and blessings in my life. Gratitude leads to inner peace and contentment. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to reframe challenges. Instead of focusing solely on the negative aspects of a setback, this mantra invites you to acknowledge the lessons it holds and appreciate the blessings that are still present in your life. Gratitude can often pave the way to inner peace and contentment. Ending your day on a high note as the day draws to a close, these final mantras can help you reflect on your accomplishments and prepare for a restful night. Motto 11. I am proud of my accomplishments today. I celebrate my progress and recognize my achievements. Taking the time to acknowledge your achievements is essential. This mantra allows you to appreciate how far you've come, no matter how small the steps may seem. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small, is a surefire way to boost your morale. Motto 12. I am thankful for the experiences and opportunities that have shaped me. As you drift off to sleep, this mantra encourages you to express gratitude for the journey that has led you to this point. It's a reminder that every experience, whether positive or challenging, has contributed to your growth. Recognizing this can foster a deep sense of appreciation for life's tapestry. Motto 13. I am ready for a peaceful night's sleep. Ending your day with a mantra that promotes relaxation can be incredibly soothing. This mantra helps signal to your mind that it's time to unwind, letting go of any lingering stress or tension from the day. Your mantra journey, if you've made it this far, take a moment to appreciate the fact that you actively seeking tools and techniques to enhance your daily life. That in itself is a testament to your desire for growth and self-improvement. The mantras we've explored today are like companions on your journey to success. Feel free to revisit them, adapt them to your unique needs, and make them your own. And remember, the true power of mantras lies in consistency and intention. So pick a mantra that resonates with you the most, one that you feel embodies the essence of who you want to be or where you want to be in life. For example, if you're striving to become more confident, motto 2. I am capable and confident. I trust in my abilities and embrace the day with a positive attitude might be the one that speaks to you. Or if you're facing a particularly challenging day and need a boost of motivation, mantra no. 5. I am motivated and unstoppable. I maintain my momentum and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth could be your go-to. It's all about finding the mantra that aligns with your current needs and aspirations. Once you've chosen your mantra, it's time to put it into action. Start by repeating it silently or out loud a few times. Feel the words on your tongue and let their meaning sink in. As you continue to repeat your mantra, you'll gradually ingrain it into your subconscious mind. And the more you do this, the more the mantra will influence your thoughts, actions, and overall mindset. And here's a bonus tip. Try pairing your mantra with a meditation practice or a mindfulness exercise. This can help anchor the mantra in your mind and enhance its impact on your daily life. So go ahead, embrace the power of positive self-talk and witness the transformation it can bring into your life. Now I'd love to hear from you. What mantras have worked for you in the past, or which ones from today's list resonate with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences and insights might just inspire someone else on their journey to success. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Until next time, keep manifesting your dreams and chasing your goals with unwavering determination.